Hey guys, welcome back to 7-Minute Music. Now, we're going to have a crack at doing some fast changing. So you should have picked up a few chords, and look, with this I'd really encourage you to jump in and do the videos in level 3 that include the chords at least C. Be really handy. Now, what we want to do is get really quick changes. So a couple of tricks that we should have picked up is matching our chords up so that we can change our fingers quickly. So the example being, say if I have A minor here, and we leave our second finger down and slip to an E minor. Okay, now that's a nice quick change. So now we're going to be changing almost on quarter notes and sometimes even an eighth note, so really quick. We want to have a nice upbeat tempo with this as well, so you'll see what I mean. So start off a bit slow. Just a couple of warm-ups. Alright, now what we really want to get to is so we're just bouncing between those two, and you can get a really nice feel to it. Alright, try and get into it. Now, of course, A minor to E minor, nice and easy. What we're going to do now is throw in a D. So this is the D major chord. Alright. Now that you actually have to move all your fingers off and down. So the trick I'm using here is I'm lifting and I'm dropping those two down and that one third. So very, very slight, but you'll see that happen. So it's all right, 1, 2, 3. So all right, we'll give that a quick run through. Starting to see a bit of a quick change rhythm coming together. Now what I want to do really is we're going to throw another chord in. These things get a bit impressive when you throw a few extra chords in. Try and remember your key centers, what chords match, check out what sort of works, but these ones generally all gel together pretty well. So you've got your A minor, okay, then we've got the C. So now A minor to a C is just that third finger. Okay. Then we're going to drop back to our E minor, down to our D. So 4 chords, and we're going to get them quick. So A minor, and we can mix those up a bit too. So you can mix that C and E minor up because they're really easy to change between. So let's have a quick crack. We'll go with the A minor, E, C, D. Try that one first. So a couple of runs through. Doing it pretty slow there, and we speed it up. So crack into the other one. So A minor, C, E minor, D. So. Awesome. Now, always like to throw in something cool. So we're going to try just a single stroke on these. Now, to time that correctly, we're going to do that just over the last 2 beats there. So it's... Now to slip that in, it's going to be... Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably easier to follow and just have a listen. So one, 2, 3, 4 at the end. So that's your challenge for this one. Try and slip those last 4 in on the 4th bar. And look, we'll leave it there. Have a muck around with some quick chord changes and have a bit of fun. We'll see you next time.